Good evening, everyone. Oh, look who wants the attention now. Fiona's been leaving her babies to have more time to themselves. And one of them got out yesterday, Mr. Bob, which is the one that came out, natural bobtail. And hey, Shane. Man, they're sleeping so good. I'm not gonna try to wake them up or anything. But this is the time that I had to come and do a quick video. And Fiona wants some pets too because she actually is not. She is not independent. I'm just kidding. That means nothing. She just wants some love as always. She's always been such a sweet girl. Very sweet girl. She's very quiet. She's not much of a barker or anything. And she will, though. And you'll hear her, but that's not her thing. It's pretty calm. Pretty calm girl. Look how... Hey, Bruce. He's got that Batman insignia on him. That's what we call it. I'm sure someone's gonna come out there and say that might look like... looks like a hawk. Whatever. Isn't that adorable? Hi, baby. Alright, everyone, this is just kind of it's a longer video than usual, but maybe you would like to see them like this. I think I said last time that we're gonna change the we're gonna change this whole thing because they're getting big enough to where Bob got out yesterday. They didn't get out at all today, but we have something coming. It's coming in the mail. And luckily everyone's still stayed inside since. But Fiona came and she told us yesterday. Of course, I'm very observant, and if I hear the way she scatters across this floor, I'm always looking. You know, since I've raised our boys, I know like different sounds. But yeah. I'm usually pretty good at figuring out if she needs something. And sure enough, I stood up really fast yesterday and I came in here and I looked and Bob was crawling across. The little boy he's probably right about here. And it's almost like he didn't know what was going on. So he was sniffing around just looking like, wow, this is wild. But that's just me making up my assumption of what I thought he was thinking. But he sure sat right here and he was looking around, sniffing. It's the most precious thing, though. I hope everyone has a wonderful evening. Shane, buddy, any last words? Nothing? Well, all right then. Good night.